Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And a very good evening to everyone. Your Excellency Arif Alvi, President of the Islamic Republic of Pakistan, Your Excellency Mr. Imran Khan, Prime Minister of the Islamic Republic of Pakistan, Excellencies, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. Firstly, I would like to say thank you to the government of Pakistan, to the President of Pakistan and the Prime Minister of Pakistan for this invitation to visit Pakistan on its National Day. I always consider it a pleasure to visit this friendly country. We have had diplomatic relations with Pakistan almost as soon as we achieved independence more than 60 years ago. And that relation has always remained cordial despite some problems that we may have between us. But now we have come into the new age of change of the fourth Industrial Revolution. Industrial revolutions are meant to improve the way of life and also the wealth of the people. We need to understand these new technologies, and for this we hope to work with Pakistan on many areas of new technologies, on education, etc., so that we can benefit from the new technologies in terms of growing our two economies. We think that there is a definite opportunities for us to collaborate and work together closely in the future. We have brought with us some business people who have met the business people in Pakistan, and I am sure they have established good relations between them. It is necessary that business people know each other before they can do business together. This is very important, and Malaysians are very familiar, of course, with the people of Pakistan, and it is very easy for us to work together. I hope that this visit will result in closer cooperation between Pakistan and Malaysia in all fields, so that together we can strengthen ourselves. Pakistan has a population of 200 million people. Malaysia only has 32 million people. Although the per capita income may be low, but numbers count in terms of markets. Even poor people need something for themselves. Even poor people can be productive if we improve the climate for them to make a living. And when they have incomes, they will need to buy things. And this, of course, can be supplied by their own country or by imports from other countries, particularly friendly countries. This is Malaysia's intention, to help work together, to have joint ventures so as to grow our economies. I admit that we have been more lucky perhaps and more successful in growing our country. If there is anything that we do that can be of use to Pakistan, we are willing to make them available. At the same time, of course, we think there is a lot of opportunities in Pakistan which would benefit Malaysians and Malaysian investors. Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to say thank you very much for the honor conferred on me, the highest honor of Pakistan, which was conferred on me by the President just before this dinner. I accept it with humility because I feel that this strengthens our relationship and the relationship between the leaders of Malaysia and the leaders of Pakistan. It is always good to have close relations, to know each other if we want to develop, we want to work together. We do not work with total strangers because we are not sure of our credibility and our trustworthiness. But when we know each other, we will be able to work together much more closely. There is a Malay saying that if you do not know, then you do not love. So knowing each other is very important. And since Pakistan intends to grow its tourism economy, tourism industry, I'm quite sure that Malaysians will be happy to come here, and I'm quite sure that Pakistanis will want to visit Malaysia also. Tourism is a very good industry. In Malaysia, it is the second largest earner of foreign exchange. And I am sure that when the tourism industry grows in Pakistan, Pakistan too would enjoy a better income, a better earning in terms of foreign exchange. We can exchange experience and information with each other. We should work together closely from now on because we see many areas where close cooperation between the two countries will benefit both our countries. So I'm very glad indeed that I have this opportunity to visit Pakistan again, and I hope that as a result, the relationship between our two countries would improve over time. This is our wish. I think it is our mutual wish to have better relations between our two countries because together we will get much stronger. We will benefit from Pakistan's big population and maybe from some of the ideas that helped to grow Malaysia. So I would like once again to say thank you very much for this award and for this kind of reception at a dinner, and I hope that this visit will bring us closer together, not only in terms of just friendship, but also in terms of trade and investment. I thank you.
डॉक्टर महातीर मोहम्मद ने शानदार मेज़बानी पर शुक्रिया अदा किया सदर डॉक्टर आरिफ अलवी का। उनका कहना था कि दोनों ममालिक बहुत गहरे, देरीना और मजबूत ताल्लुकात जो है वो रखते हैं। नाज़रीन, ऐवान सदर में अशाइये की तकरीब जो है डॉक्टर महातीर मोहम्मद मलेशिया के वज़ीर आज़म के एज़ाज़ में अशाइये की तकरीब जारी है। सदर डॉक्टर आरिफ अलवी ने खिताब किया और वज़ीर आज़म मलेशिया डॉक्टर महातीर मोहम्मद ने खिताब किया। हमने आपसे बराह रास्त शेयर किया। मज़ीद अपडेट्स के लिए भी आप पाकिस्तान टेलीविज़न न्यूज़ के साथ रहें।